Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by AGA, the American Gelbvieh Association. The latest agricultural trade data, released today by the U.S. Economic Research Service, continued to show an enormous trade deficit for agricultural products. In July, U.S. agricultural export value across all products totaled $13 billion, up about $60 million from June, which is less than a 1% month-over-month increase, but a 7% rise over July 2023. U.S. agricultural imports, however, totaled over $17.5 billion, marking the 8th highest import month on record since the dataset began. U.S. agricultural imports were up 6% from the month of June and were found to be up 11% from July of last year. With the dramatic year-over-year changes on both sides, net imports, calculating U.S. ag exports after netting out U.S. ag imports, finished July at negative $4.5 billion. This was easily the lowest month for U.S. agricultural net exports of all time, surpassing May 2024, which held the previous record at negative $4.2 billion. As mentioned in the closing bell 2 weeks ago, annual shifts in beef exports and imports are a large driver of the value differential. In terms of tonnage, U.S. beef exports were up 7% year-over-year in July, finding the first month of 2024 with a year-over-year increase. Year-to-date, U.S. beef exports are down 51 million pounds, or down 3%. Beef exports to Japan are running 2 million pounds above year ago through July, but are down 49 million pounds to South Korea. Compare these year-over-year declines in beef exports with a 20% increase year-to-date in beef imports. July beef imports were the largest for any July in the past 20 years, pushing the year-to-date import increase to 436 million pounds. Overall, U.S. protein exports are down 2% or 204 million pounds through July, largely due to a 362 million pound decline in broiler exports. Meanwhile, total protein imports are up 17% year-to-date, bringing in more than 500 million pounds of product. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member, receive the latest market news and analysis.